Good morning, third graders. Good morning. So today we're starting our unit on electricity. Look up here at this picture I have. These things in this picture might look familiar. What do we have up here? You can just shout them out. A microwave, a toaster, a light bulb, and a charger. So all of these things are things we might have in our house, or you've seen them at school or something. What do they all have in common? There's more than one right answer.
Plug it in.
You plug them in, right? Today we're going to do an activity that teaches us about how electricity gets from the power plant to our devices to make them work, because all of these things use electricity to work. You guys say electricity.
Electricity.
Okay, so there's some really, really important words that we're going to focus on today. So our first word is electric current. It's how electricity moves. So you can stand up and we're going to do some motion towards each of these words. So I had motions planned already, but if anybody thinks they have a good one for electric current, they can do it. So ours is going to be electric current.
Electric current.
Yep, it's how electricity moves. And a closed circuit is a closed path for electricity to travel on. So I'm going to go like this. Closed circuit.
Closed circuit.
And then an open circuit is an open path for electricity to travel around. So instead of having a closed circuit, we're going to have an open circuit. Open circuit. Okay. So these words are going to be really important, and these are the words I want you to pay attention to during this lesson. You guys can take them. So our I can statements for this lesson are up here. Let's read them together.
I can explain the difference between an open and closed circuit.
And
I can draw a picture to show how electricity moves around a circuit.
So that's what we're going to do today in our activity, is we're going to make a closed circuit. So you guys have straws at your table. I want you to grab your straw and let's try and make a circle around the center table right here. It's going to be a little bit difficult, and some people might have to reach over the table to make a circle. So stand up and we're going to try and make a circle. Make sure you're at arm's length, your hands are just like this. You're going to have to reach across the shoulder. Yep.
Here's a straw.
Actually, let's just move in. You guys move in and let's make it only around the center circle. So you guys, let's fill up this space. Fill up this space. Yes, you'll stab your straw. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to say some words right now that we're going to do in our next lesson. So you can listen to them, but don't worry about them. So right now, all of you are atoms. And atoms are the tiniest little blocks that build everything. They build your body, they build your table. So they're the building blocks for everything, even cords that electricity travels along. And this straw in your hand, you should have one straw, is an electron. That's something that an atom has. And electric current is made when atoms pass their electron around to the other atoms near them, and it travels. So when I say go, you are going to start passing your straw to the person next to you, and you're going to pass it around. And there are a couple rules. Your feet need to stay planted, so plant your feet. Your feet are planted in one spot, and we're going to try and only have one straw, one electron in our hand at a time. That could get a little hard, and we might need to start kind of slow. Okay? So when I say go, you can start, and when I say freeze, hold what you have in your hand and freeze. We're going to go clockwise. We'll go this way. Okay, go. You can start slow. So you have to be picking up.
Clockwise.
I said clockwise. This is clockwise. Okay, freeze. That's okay. If you have two, it was just a you and Eric. So what happened? Was the electric current able to move?
Mm-hmm.
Right? And it was continuous, wasn't it? What would happen if I just decided to take Miranda Briley and Jenny out of the circle? Could we pass these? Let's try it. Okay. Take them out. And remember, your feet have to stay planted. Plant your feet. And when I say go, you can start passing. Go. Nope. Oh, yeah. Yep. Actually, we need to spread further. So keep passing. Around the circle.
Oh, my wait.
Freeze. What happened?
Got cut off.
Right. Was the electricity able to flow?
No.
No. And what happened here at Justin?
Dropped the ball.
All the electricity was building up in one place. So when we have a closed circuit, we're going to do closed circuit, electricity can flow all the way around. When we have an open circuit, what happens? The electric current cannot flow. So now you can bring your straws, and I'll take these ones, and go back to your spot. We have another sort of activity. You actually want to. Okay, so what I have here is an energy ball, and an energy ball has a battery inside it, so that's what's providing the electricity, and it has these little sensors on either side. Electricity comes out of one side and goes in another, so if I put my thumb on one of them, nothing happens. If I put my thumb on both, it makes a connection. So we're lucky enough that today I think we have few enough people that we can get the electricity to travel through everyone in the class. If it doesn't work, because this battery is pretty tiny, it might not be strong enough to send electricity through everyone's bodies, we can split into two and try that in the two groups. So you have a cause and effect sheet. I want you right now with your table groups to come up with a setup for the class. Draw a picture. How do you want the class to stand? How do you want them to look to make this light up? How are you going to make a closed circuit? So first talk with the partner, how you think you might do that, and then make a plan with your table group where the whole class is going to try your formation.
Well, one person has
And you can write some words too. Are you going to touch hands? Are you going to touch noses? What are you going to do? So that you are going to be telling the class